Waking up exhausted despite sleeping 8 hours became my daily nightmare after turning 52. 2 years ago, I dragged myself through afternoons feeling like I carried concrete blocks. My energy crashed by 3 p.m. every single day. Coffee stopped working. Naps made things worse somehow. Then a Mediterranean nutritionist shared one weird nighttime habit that sounded absolutely crazy. Drinking olive oil before bed seemed ridiculous initially. Who drinks oil straight like that? But desperation makes you try unusual things. The science behind it changed my entire perspective on fatigue. Here's what most people miss completely. After 50, our bodies struggle absorbing fat-soluble vitamins efficiently. Vitamin E, vitamin K all need dietary fat for proper absorption. Taking these at night with olive oil creates perfect conditions for uptake. The metabolism shift happens during deep sleep. Your liver processes nutrients more effectively between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m. Olive oil provides clean fuel for these overnight repair processes. Think of it as premium gasoline for your cellular engines. I started with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil 30 minutes before bed. The first night felt strange swallowing pure oil. No immediate changes occurred. But morning 3 brought something unexpected. I woke up actually refreshed. Polyphenols in quality olive oil reduce inflammation systematically. Chronic inflammation drains energy relentlessly after 50. These powerful plant compounds work like tiny firefighters, extinguishing inflammatory processes while you sleep peacefully. Research from the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition tracked adults over 50 for 6 months. Those consuming olive oil before bed reported 40% improvement in morning energy levels. Their inflammatory markers decreased measurably on blood tests. The key lies in timing strategically. Evening consumption allows olive oil to support overnight cellular repair. Your body enters fasting mode during sleep. The healthy fats provide sustained energy without spiking blood sugar levels. Quality matters more than anything here. Cheap refined olive oil lacks beneficial compounds completely. I learned this after wasting money on clear bottles from discount stores. 0 results, just oily burps. Look for extra virgin, cold-pressed, dark glass bottles. The harvest date should appear on label. Fresh olive oil tastes slightly peppery and bitter. If it tastes bland, it's probably rancid or fake. My energy transformation took about 3 weeks. Week 1, slightly better mornings. Week 2, afternoon crashes became less severe. By week 3, I stopped needing my 2 p.m. coffee desperately. The fatigue melting effect comes from improved mitochondrial function. These cellular powerhouses need healthy fats to produce energy molecules efficiently. Olive oil provides perfect building blocks for mitochondrial membranes. Sleep quality improved in unexpected ways too. I stayed asleep longer without waking up. My sleep tracker showed increased deep sleep phases. Oleic acid in olive oil supports neurotransmitter production for better rest. Digestion benefits surprised me most honestly. The oil lubricates your digestive tract naturally overnight. Morning bathroom visits became regular and comfortable. No more bloating or constipation issues. Brain fog lifted gradually but dramatically. By month 2, I remembered appointments without checking my phone constantly. Complex work tasks felt manageable again. The mental clarity felt like being 40 again. Olive oil supports brain health through multiple mechanisms. It increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor production. This protein grows new brain cells and protects existing neurons. Your brain literally repairs itself better while sleeping. Cardiovascular benefits accumulate over time consistently. The monounsaturated fats lower bad cholesterol naturally. They raise good cholesterol simultaneously. My doctor noticed improved lipid panels at my checkup. Some people worry about calories from oil. 1 tablespoon contains 120 calories total. But this actually supports metabolism rather than causing weight gain. The healthy fats signal satiety hormones properly. I lost 12 pounds over 6 months. Not from the olive oil alone obviously, but the improved energy let me exercise regularly. Better sleep reduced stress eating patterns dramatically. Start conservatively with 1 teaspoon if concerned. Increase gradually to 1 tablespoon over 2 weeks. Your digestive system needs time adjusting to nighttime oil consumption. Take it plain or mix with warm water. Some people add lemon juice for easier consumption. I prefer it straight now. Tastes like liquid gold honestly.